How to turn on or turn off call bearing on Android. So today we are here with step-by-step guide on turning call bearing on or off. So let's get started. You can block certain types of calls such as incoming calls when you are abroad. So firstly, press the phone icon on your Android device. Then press the menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now press settings from the drop-down menu. Now press supplementary services option available inside the call settings. If you don't see it, then simply scroll down and look for it. Inside supplementary services, you will get to see call bearing option available there. Now simply tap on the call bearing. Now you can see the indicator option available right next to the bearing option. Press the indicator next to the required bearing type to turn the function on or off according to your preferences. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.